Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you know I'd like to draw in the center of the page. And a lot of times I want to rotate around something in the center of the page. So we're going to draw a 1-inch circle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to select the other circle. I'm going to hit T, put it for the top. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch, and I'm going to move that 1-inch circle up until now it's in the center of the page and right on top. If I want to rotate that guy, I have to move it to the center. And a lot of times it doesn't look like it's in the center, like right there, until you hit it again. But it's kind of hard to tell. I don't think it's in the center. So I'll bring in the indexing lines and hit P. Bring in indexing lines and hit P. And it is in the center. But it'd be reassuring to have this, and if you could, and especially in a bigger circle, you could see it. So why not make a hotkey or a macro for that? So my macros up here. Yours is going to be probably under here. In 2019, they're called scripts. We're going to start recording. You're going to name it. We're going to call it center line. Press OK. As soon as you hit OK, you're recording. There's no hurry. You don't have to do it in any particular order. Bring that line down and hit P. Go over to your ruler, holding down the left mouse button, and hit P. We're going to stop recording. Yours is going to be up here under Tools and Scripts. And then you can go right here to Scripts, and it'll open up your script. That script is let me close this down. It's going to be under Global Macros, Recorded Macros, and Centerline. Let's get rid of our indexing lines and hit that. There's our indexing lines. Now, we don't want to have to do all that work, so we want to make a hotkey for it. This is probably the easiest macro you could ever build. Right click on that center line, assign a keyboard shortcut. This will open up. It's on that recorded macro. Go to shortcuts, and I'm going to go alternate C. Assign it. Press OK. Get rid of this. Then from now on, in the future, if you want indexing lines right there, just alternate. I don't know why it's doing that. Alternate C. I guess you have to be clicked on something. Let's try that again. Alternate C. No, it worked. Must have been hitting something wrong. That's pretty cool. It'll help a lot, save you some time. And also you can always, inside of the newer ones, you can turn the guidelines on and off. So if you want to get rid of them, show them back. But you can always delete them, and then they're gone forever. So when you need them back, just alternate C, and they're right there. So with a press of 2 buttons at one time will save you these few steps. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.